I know that you are not perfect. I still love you and forgive you. You're my creation. I will comfort you. Pray to me and ask me to strengthen you, and you will feel relief. Life is messy, so stay on guard. Life gets hard, so stay ready to battle. Call on me and I will show up to provide the victory. I heard your cries. I heard your tears. I understand your pain. I am helping you. Keep your eyes open. I love you so much you can't let what others have done to you control how you treat others around you. Not everyone has bad intentions towards you. Not everyone wants to bring you down. Talk to me more, and I will help you discern the good and bad things in your life. I want you to literally stop doubting me. Stop looking at your problem and thinking that it's over. Don't you have faith? All things work for the good of those who serve me. I know that you stress a lot at times. I don't blame you. Life can be hard, life can be challenging, and life can overwhelm us at times. However, when you are in a season of trouble, I want you to surrender it all to me. I will take care of you. I want you to stop living a double life. I don't want you to tell people that you love me and follow me when you participate in the things of this world. Getting drunk, getting high, attending non-godly parties, fornicating, disrespecting other people, etc. Please choose one, the world or me. I love you so much.